Thank you very much, Darren. Vaughn Clark pointing out, thank you for the super chat. Vaughn, you've said a few this week, so we appreciate you. Unity software as well, getting a buff. So there's a whole swath of names that seem to spike essentially on the EA headline because it's so big of a name that if a juggernaut in an industry gets a deal, that is most certainly going to cause a bid on other stocks. It just sort of shifts the valuation. Someone's basically saying, hey, EA is worth 20-30% more than the market's pricing it at, and we're going to put, and some big names are willing to put their money where their mouth is. That's going to shift valuations across the board. You see it all the time, and it also shifts the speculation that you could see further consolidation in the space. So EA, I'll just double check on it before we go back. It doesn't seem to want to break $200, so it's kind of pulling back in here. Since the reopen, it's been mostly buy side. And just to keep in mind, we do not know specifics on any potential deal, right? It could be anything. It could be 10% premium, in which case it could be lower from here. It could be 30%, and then it could be double the move that you've already seen here in EA Sports. So we'll just play it by ear.
Oh, yeah, that's
Spark Shop saying, oh, that's right, we can look at Nintendo, can't we?
I have it right here, yeah. Well, Nintendo's $21. I think it was like $13, but yeah, it's not popping that much. This is what Nintendo looks like on the pink sheets here on the OTC market. Yeah, I was right. I was like, I thought this was $13. Yeah, Nintendo's had a nice move up. Obviously, they had that release of the Switch 2. So, that I think went over well. I mean, it looks like it doesn't look like it was a disaster or anything, but 21 to 24.
Castle loves it.
Back and forth for Japan.
You guys have this?
No. We bought PS5 because we wanted to get NHL. Okay, so SMR right now, potentially another looker. That's why. So it's hitting the scanner right here. These scanners are e-signal scanner. And there it is hitting VWAP right now. It's been probably hitting it for a minute. So there's another look right there at 245. I get it. It basically resets every 5 minutes. So if anything's happening, sometimes you'll get the double look on the names and whatnot. So yeah, right now bouncing off VWAP, a nice little support area for SMR. I think the support is a lot lower than that though, 34.35 for this name. Yesterday we had the big mover with Oklo, of course. Oklo, yeah, okay. I was gonna say I always confuse Oklo and IonQ. Wow, another downside day there today for OKLO. Whoops. So, I mean, this is the thing, what goes up, what's going down, but not all the time. Sometimes stocks can keep on going, and that's what it looked like right here when it was basically going parabolic. This was 73, guys, like, this is September 11th. This was $73, okay? It goes up to 143 on September 23rd.
I've been tracking it in the $11 range.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days doubles. So a stock that has a lot of history, right? It's not like this is a brand new IPO to do something like this, but that doubled its market cap, still not making any money, doubled its market cap in how many days I just said there, 11 days or whatever. So now it comes back into reality again. I would think the best spot to think about this is 84.85. I don't know if you're going to get that pull back there for Oklo. So, a couple bad days right now. I always think that $100 is going to be something. Oh, wow. Okay. We may make it back. Did I even discuss this IBIT? I'm not sure. So we were long there, breaking right down here 110, right? Remember we talked about this kind of a trade. I think it was Tony. What's up, Tony, in the chat? Was thinking about a short in this. So this was the long that we took, breaking 110. I thought that, we'd sort of barcoded yesterday from noon. This is yesterday at noon all the way to today at noon. This is 24 hours of basically 1,500. Then it finally breaks above, takes out 10.5, and now we're looking to get a little bit into 11, but that didn't happen. So there's the fade back a little bit. So if the break didn't work one way, then I'm going to try the short the other way. But you know what happened at the first point?
So if you get hit on, is that the 50 period?
Where, this?
No, the green line.
Oh, no, 200 period.
If you get filled on the 200 period, then I will eat a mint cookie. I will make the sacrifice.
I don't want to go up.
I want one.
No, down.
Oh, this is the...
No, I'm looking at this. Sorry, I'm looking.
Oh, look at that one. We're already... Oh, that's 200. Yeah, 60. Yeah, I'm bidding.
I will make the sacrifice of eating a cookie if you...
Yes.
I completely forgot.
You're eating a cookie regardless.
No, well...
but I do want it to hit that level.
Well, look, they're unhealthy. We talked about...
Really, we talked about it. There's
talk about sodium is in
55 calories per
This has already filled.
But Joe was gracious enough to buy a box of Girl Guide cookies from my daughter. So, and he didn't want them, so we get to eat them. Look, you're right, I was going to eat it anyways.
See?
But I had completely forgotten that we had the cookies that we're supposed to be eating. And let me finish the thought first. So I'm going to put this down, although not on the desk, because the desks were a little dirty this morning. Doing that paint thing. Came in and had to clean them off. No, I'm going to get VWAP, look for VWAP here on Intel, and maybe take some more out of Webull, because I think we're pulling back a little bit here. Yeah, Webull is now not really moving at all. It's really not moving at all on Webull. So if there's an offer at 15, I'm just gonna go $14.99 and see if I can't take it there. I think, and I'm doing this on purpose, Hangry Wife, oh my God, eat the cookie. I love doing that. And then I'll just tease you even more by putting it so I was like I'm going to eat it, because it's delicious. I know. It's so good.
I don't mind mint. Like, mint is not, but to have one or two of them, like, it's not overwhelming. Like, the mint is not like, it's not like, oh my God, these are so minty.
Yeah.
Who's back there? Hey, Robert Mark, if you want a Girl Guide mint cookie. Russell, you
I prefer chocolate.
want a Girl
No,
Guide mint cookie?
I prefer peanut butter.
Yes, you do. No, but you can just have one.
No, just have it.
No. You don't have to buy one, my guy.
If there's a ticker you'd like me to go over, please let me know.
Here we go.